Good morning students. We have already completed lesson number 10 and lesson number 11. Now let's start next lesson, that is lesson number 12, percentage. See, as we heard this name percentage, so you know this sign is of percentage. So where on which places have you seen this sign of percentage? So think about it and see, in textbook page number 61 two pictures are given to us. So in the first picture, use water carefully. Water in the dam 58% of the capacity. So here one picture is shown, in that it is shown 58% in that dam water is left. In another picture, that is usually you know that when we charge our mobile, that time it shows how many percentage it completed. So here in the picture it shows 43% the charging is completed. So now, or it is left 43 percentage. So in that percentage sign they use. Okay, so you know that we read how to read this. Suppose I have written this 58 and this side. So 58 percentage or 43 percentage. Okay, so this sign is for percentage. Now percentage. So in the word itself, percentage, percent. Okay, per and this cent is there. So what is the meaning of the cent is the 100. The meaning of the cent is 100, means out of 100. When we say percentage, that time it shows that out of 100 that many part is covered. For example, now here in the dam water 58% water is left. That means 58% means what? Out of 100, suppose the capacity of the dam is of 100 units. So out of that 100 units, 58 parts, 58 units are completed or 58% left anyway. And then when we say the mobile charging is 43% only left, means when we charge our mobile fully, that time it shows 100%, and when it is 100% then we say that the mobile is fully charged. Yes. So if the mobile charging is of 43%, that time we say the mobile charging only 43% is remain. So that means any percentage means what? Out of 100. So this part, this percentage, where we use normally, more examples we can give in exam. See, suppose our exams are there, and after the exam our parents or any of our friend, they may ask us how many percentage you got. So we generally say I got 80%, 82%. That means what, students? We calculate your marks out of 100 and then we divide it with how many subjects are there, isn't it? And again we multiply by 100. That I will tell you, I will how to calculate the percentage, that will be the next part for us. But just now time being, you just remember that percentage means out of 100. Okay. And now when we say, how can we write the percentage in the form of fraction, that we will see. Okay. So percentage in the form of a fraction. Percentage in the form of fraction. So how to write the percentage in the form of fraction? Generally, if I say 50%, 50%, that means 50% means how can I write it in the form of fraction? 50 upon 100. See students, just remember, whenever we say percentage, that time the denominator must be 100. Means it is 100. Out of 100 that units are there. Okay. So 50% means I can write it as 50 upon 100 in the form of fraction. Again 50% we can write it in the form of 50 upon 100 as in the form of fraction. But now if I want to make it in reduced form, can we make it in reduced form? Yes. So you know that in ratio and proportion also we have seen. So if you want to divide it with the same number, that will be the 50. isn't it? So then we will get the answer 50 divided by 50 is 1 and 100 divided by 50, 52 is a 100. That means 1 upon 2. Generally 1 upon 2 means 1 half we say, yes, or generally we say it as a half. That means 50% means half. Yes, 50% is half of the whole. Whole means total. Okay. So when we say, okay, I got 50% profit in my business, means what? Out of total 100%, I got the 50% is the my profit. Means suppose 100 rupees is the profit. So 50 rupees, 100 rupees is the profit. So 50 rupees I got as the profit. Out of 50, 50%, 100, 50% means out of 100, 50 rupees I got, isn't it? Then second example we can see, suppose 25%. How can I write this in the form of fraction? So 25% I will write it as 25 upon 100. So 25 upon 100 means if I will divide it with the 25 itself, because these both numbers are present in the table of 25. Yes. So if I want to make it in the simple form or reduced form, I can divide with the same number, isn't it? Then 25 divided by 25, 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100. That means this 1 upon 4 means, you know students, 1 upon 4 means quarter we say, isn't it? So can I write it 1 upon 4 means quarter? You know that how 1 half means half. 1 upon 4 means quarter, 1 quarter, isn't it? 1 upon 4 means 1 quarter. So that means 25% means 1 upon 4 part of the whole or total, or we can say it's the quarter. Okay. Then how every time these names are not there, only you know that half, this means 1 upon 2 means half we can say, 1 upon 4 means quarter, and 3 upon 4 we can say as the 3 quarter. Okay, 3 upon 4 means 3 quarter. So if it is 75%, if it is 75%, how can I write 75% in the form of fraction? That is 75 upon 100. So if I divide it by 25, this is the 25 is the highest common factor, means this if we divide it by, you can divide it by 5 also, or you can divide it by I think 15 also. Yes. No, we cannot divide it by 15. So you can divide with the 25. Okay. And then 25 3s are 75, 25 4s are 100. That means we got answer as 3 upon 4. So 3 upon 4 we can say it as 3 quarter. 3 upon 4 means 3 quarter, isn't it? So remember students, when we say it as 25%, it means quarter. When we say it 50%, that means it is half, and 75% means 3 quarter. But these names are there for these fractions only, isn't it? But if any other example it may there, suppose 35%. So how to convert this 35% in the form of fraction? That means 35% means 35 upon 100. See students, this 100 from where I am taking? The meaning of cent means 100 out of 100. That's why everywhere first denominator I am taking as a 100. Now 35% means 35 upon 100. Can we make it in the reduced form? Yes. So with what number I have to divide it? I must divide it with the 5. So if I divide with the 5, then I will get 5 7s are 35, and here if I divide I will get 20. 5 2s are 10 and this one 0. So now for this there is no particular name. So how can I say 7 upon 20 part of the whole? Here we can say half part of the whole, quarter part of the whole, 3 quarter part of the whole, and here I am say 7 upon 20 part upon whole. 35% means 7 upon 20. That means 50% means 1 upon 2, 25% means 1 upon 4, 75% means 3 upon 4, 35% means 7 upon 20. That like this way we can take many more examples, okay. But here the thing is, you must understand that how to convert or how to write the percentage in the form of fraction. It is very easy, students. Just write the denominator as 100. This number will come as the numerator and the denominator will be 100. After that I just make it in the reduced form. Okay, I just divided with the same number to the numerator as well as denominator, and then I have written it in the form of fraction only, but it is in the simplest form. Okay, so note down these all the examples in your notebook, and then next part we will see in the next video. Thank you.